This is it, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. The trapdoor of support on Ethereum is now potentially breaking right before our eyes. How could this affect the crypto market as a whole? How could it affect Bitcoin? What are our targets here? And if it is to fall further, what am I looking for? All of this and more here on today's stream. So let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. We're going to begin here on the Ethereum chart today because, ladies and gentlemen, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I've been pointing out the importance of the trapdoor range on Bitcoin and the altcoin market as a whole. Now here on Ethereum in particular, we have a trapdoor range that right now, my friends, you just can't make this stuff up. Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. I think the trapdoor range is potentially breaking down right here, right now. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, not only is the trapdoor range of prior support potentially being broken, but this in and of itself may be one massive bear flag pattern to the downside. And even if you don't want to consider it a bear flag, which I don't know why you wouldn't, right? But the fact of the matter is, in and of itself, it's a descending triangle, which is a bearish pattern. Flat line of support built along the bottom. This is the daily chart. Wick support, 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 support. Many touch points only to break it with a downward sloping line of resistance along the top. Bearish pattern, classic bearish pattern. Now, if you're wondering why this is so important, let's flip this over to the logarithmic scale, all right, and take a look here. Ladies and gentlemen, underneath the trapdoor range, which we're possibly losing support at right now, there just isn't a whole heck of a lot here in terms of prior support built. Now, if we draw some horizontal lines back towards the all-time high here, you could see we do have some resistance and support confluence right there in the mid $1,300 range. And then below that, we do have some confluence there around the 800 USD range. So there are two lines of potential support built here. Mind you, in my opinion, the $1,300 line, which is this one right here, very weak. Okay, we haven't spent that much time around that range. Sure, it's possible that it could hold. It's target number one, really, for me. If that is lost, target number two becomes right here around 800 USD. But folks, the most concrete level, the foundation, in my opinion, for this cycle, if we are to drop down in a capitulatory decline, would be right down here in the mid $400 range. Let's get this crypto. Now, I know this may explode some Moonboy heads. Crypto Kirby calling for 450 ETH. What the heck, man? Well, listen up, little Jimmy, and your $600 stimmy. The fact of the matter is that if we are to drop down into the $400 range, this would be a minus 91% drop. This is normal, especially for Ethereum. Take a look at the bubble pop back from 2018. We dropped minus 94%. Okay, take a look back here, even in 2016, just from this high to this bottom here, minus 75%. These types of drops are normal. I'm sorry if you bought Ethereum up over 4,000, but you had to understand that this type of drop of this magnitude, even if we only went to 800, say, right, that's a minus 81% decline roughly. You had to accept the risks buying something up at that price point, right? This is crypto, the most savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous market in the entire world. And these moon boys waltz in, here I am, Crypto Kirby, coming in with a small amount of money, and I'm going to be a millionaire in no time. Then what do you know, ladies and gentlemen? Whoopsies, 5-6 months goes by. These people are capitulating. Little Jimmy cooking sausages on the side of the road. Little Jimmy, I wouldn't let you shine my shoes, you filthy degenerate. All in all, as soon as this market starts to drop, these degenerates start to panic, right? Their hands start trembling, but many of them hold on because they've been sucked into this mentality that you gotta diamond hand it. I'm so early. We're early investors, Kirby. Diamond hand it. Well, newsflash, little Jimmy. You're not an early investor. You're not early. Crypto's been around for over a decade. You know who was early? Don Carbonaccio. Been in here day in, day out. And I've been keeping you up to date with this market for the past several years. Now listen, we're not early, okay? You have institutional players in here. You have traditional market instruments built around crypto. You're trying to get ETFs approved. Certain countries have ETNs approved. You have the CME and CBOE both had futures trading approved. You think we're early, little Jimmy? That's what you keep telling yourself because you bought into the top of a parabolic bubble and you're trying to create an echo chamber that your investment up above 4,000 on Ethereum was a good idea. But all it was you FOMOing into a parabolic bubble. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact of the matter is that if we pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle, you see how just after the top, there's that range of complacency there, right? The reason why you get complacency is because the quote unquote diamond hands, they don't want to sell yet. They still are clinging on to this hope and a dream for a moonshot and a Lamborghini. And what you have to understand is that usually when that level is finally lost, that is when the price capitulates. And it's possible. I'm not saying that this has to occur. I'm saying that in my opinion, now that we are potentially losing this trap door of support here, that the probability increases for a flush down on Ethereum towards 1350, towards 800, and a long shot possible bottom if we are to see an absolutely crazy bear market around the 400 USD level for Ethereum. Well, let's get this crypto. Nobody else is going to show you this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. You think anybody else on crypto YouTube has the cojones to come on here and tell you that they think Ethereum could possibly see the $400 level again? I don't think so. That's why the Don is here for you day in and day out. And if you appreciate this type of analysis, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic crypto analysis on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these updates. Now let's move over to the Bitcoin chart. Oh, and before I forget, I have already been posting my personal trade setup ideas for Ethereum in VIP. So if you're not already in my VIP and you are interested to see how the Don is looking to potentially strike gold again on Ethereum here as we are now potentially losing this trapdoor of support, well, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Ladies and gentlemen, things are heating up here. Don't miss any more of my exclusive Ethereum trade setup ideas and alerts exclusively in VIP. I'll see you there after this video. Now here we are, ladies and gentlemen, back on the good old Bitcoin chart. You can see here that we are back below 29,000 now. We tested the bottom of this trapdoor range again. Now, as we know, Ethereum has already possibly lost its trapdoor of support. For the time being, Bitcoin is still clinging on by a thread. Ladies and gentlemen, it's just barely clinging on here, right? We tested the bottom of the range. Somebody is still trying to support this thing here, but to me, it's very possible that this is just bearish distribution right here, right now, that we are seeing a bear flag play out, very similar to Ethereum, and that we could possibly be ready for a capitulatory leg to the downside. Oh, let's get this crypto. Now, what could a capitulatory leg to the downside look like? Well, again, very similar to Ethereum. There's just not much built underneath the range until about 20,000. We do have some possible support there, right? And it's not just the old all-time high. It is actually this little range here, right, where we consolidated, created a ceiling, and we have this here at 20K. So if we drop below really 28K again, ladies and gentlemen, for me, the probability certainly increases for a flush down towards 20K. Which would be roughly a minus 30% drop from the trap door there. Savage, right? Absolutely savage. And if that doesn't hold, well, I'm sorry, Moon Boys. For me, the next range of interest really is the 14K range and ultimately the 12K range. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. We are staring in the face right now, in my opinion, of a possible bubble pop top, cycle drop happening, coming out of a complacency range, and that we could be headed into capitulation. Now, of course, this doesn't have to happen, right? Anything could happen in crypto, but when you put the macroeconomic environment into perspective and say, hey, almost all of the important financial countries in the world are inflating out of control, right? You have wars going on. You still have global health uncertainty going on, right? Something that this is a crazy environment. There are so many different things going on at once that it's very difficult, not only for Bitcoin and crypto to succeed as high risk assets, but we're seeing equities sell off, global equities markets selling off. Even gold has been performing poorly, right? Really, the only asset class that's been performing well has been the energy market, right? We've seen oil and natural gas skyrocketing. Almost everything else has been in the gutter, so to say, right? So for me right now, taking the macroeconomic environment into perspective and taking a look at what's going on with these charts right now, ladies and gentlemen, to me, it seems like these moon boys could be in for a rude awakening, right? So listen, I already told you that I've been posting my trade setup ideas for Ethereum as the trapdoor is possibly opening. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, I am strategizing around the clock for my next potentially life-changing trade setup idea on Bitcoin right here, right now. To me, it looks like time is of the essence, right? How much longer are we going to stay inside this range? To me, it looks like we could be ready for an explosive breakdown or a manipulative explosive rip up just to try and short squeeze some of these people down here. We'll have to see. For now, I'm watching this market like a hawk with an eagle eye. Ladies and gentlemen, my eyes are glued to the charts right now. I'm strategizing around the clock. And as I said before, just like Ethereum, I'm strategizing for my trade setup ideas on Bitcoin right now. So if you don't want to miss any more of my real-time trade setup ideas and alerts for Bitcoin, then I'll see you in VIP right now after this video, okay? As I said before, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Seriously, folks, don't miss my next one. Unfortunately, to me, it just feels like so many people are ready to take that trip to Wrecked City with average Joe and James at the water cooler. It just has that feeling. To me, it has that 2018 trapdoor feeling where once we lost it, poof, all of the diamond hand degenerates got wrecked. And ladies and gentlemen, it's so funny because you see in this type of range here back in 2018, all of the same commenters, all of the same pundits saying, this is the bottom, Kirby, don't you understand? We've built a base. It'll never go below 6,000 again. And then it drops down to 3,000. Whoopsies. Those people go silent. They're gone. They created the waterfall. And then you don't hear from them for a while. And then when Bitcoin's back at 14,000, you see the same people back in the comments. See, Kirby, even though we dropped below 6,000, now. It's the same cycle, ladies and gentlemen. Then they buy in here, they hold. I've got diamond hands. I've got diamond hands. They hold through this hold down period, sideways period of, what do you know? Complacency, right? Just take a look. This complacency, understand? Then we capitulate. They sell into the black swan, okay? Now to me, it feels, ladies and gentlemen, like this whole range here is complacency. The same people diamond handing up here, and then once we drop below the trapdoor, they go silent. You see the Google Trends volume go way down. You'll see my views here on YouTube go way down because all the people get flushed out. The real remain in the bear markets, ladies and gentlemen, right? I've been here day in and day out. Hopefully you've been in here day in and day out. And I'm telling you right now, that's why I've been telling you that getting inside my VIP right now is what I would say a good time to be in VIP, because right now my trade setup ideas are all centered around the fact that if this trapdoor breaks, There could be absolutely insane volatility here, and I'm going to do my best to potentially capture the majority of those moves in whichever direction they go. So, ladies and gentlemen, just on that note, again, VIP, I'll see you there after this video. Let's get this crypto. If you enjoyed here today, I really would appreciate a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. If you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic crypto analysis show on YouTube, period. Let's get this crypto. Subscribe, take the little bell, and select all. And on that note, I'll see you in VIP. Sheesh, don't miss any more of my exclusive real-time VIP trade setup ideas and alerts. I'm telling you right now, I'm focused right now on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Things are heating up. I can barely even speak here, ladies and gentlemen. I have to get back to the charts. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.